going on, everybody? It's your girl Sneaker Mom here. Today I'm going to be reviewing the new Yeezy 350 Power Black. Let's get into it. First, you're going to start out with the box. You got your all round box. You got your 350 right here on top of the box. You got your Boost right here on the side. Yeezy 350 made by Adidas on this side. And then we're going to get to the front of the box, and it reads Yeezy Boost 350, and the colorway is Power Black, Blue Gray, and Sea Black. Let's get into the insides. Opening up the box, pretty much same as normal as our normal 350. You got the pull-out box with this all cream colored tissue paper right here. That's pretty much it for the insides. So let's go ahead and get into the main ingredient of this video. It is the Yeezy 350 Power Black. Alright, I want to start off by saying I finally got them here. I always wanted a pair of these, but as we all know, back in 2015 when these came out originally, I think the prices were just sky high, ridiculous. Definitely wasn't never gonna pay that price for a pair of Yeezys, so glad they was finally supposed to come out again last year, in which we all know what happened with all the Yeezy fiasco, what was going on with between him and Adidas, so we didn't get them. But finally we got them this year, 2023, on Yeezy Day, and here they are. And I can say, man, these are very nice. And to me, it was actually worth the wait. I can see why everybody really wanted these. It's a very nice, clean colorway, and it's a V1. I mean, we're not going to get the V1 anymore, so of course I definitely want to have these in the collection, especially since I already had got the turtle doves that had came out last year. So I was excited to be able to try to get these Power Blacks, and luckily I did hit on Yeezy Day for these, even though I didn't hit but 2 items. This was one of the 2, so can't complain. But I'm definitely very happy to able to have these in hand, and these, like I said, are very, very clean. Glad I got them. Came in today. I know it said 23-day wait, but mine shipped right out, and here we go. So let's go ahead and get into the description of the shoe. As you can see, you got this all black and gray Primeknit upper going throughout the whole upper of the shoe, which is very clean. Like I said, it's the V1 version, so it's a tad bit different from the V2s, just because of the upper. As we all know, the V2s look a little different on the top also, and it's not really this. To me, these are kind of a little bit lighter than the V2s. I know they do have boost in them, but to me it just feels a little bit lighter, and to me it's a difference in the way they fit from a V2. Like a V2, I can go up a whole size, and these I just went up a half a size, and they fit me perfectly. Last year I went true to size, and it was too tight on the turtle dove, so this year I knew that when I did go for these to go up a half a size, so I went up a half a size in these. I wear a men's size 6, so in these I got a men's size 6.5, and they fit me perfectly. Better than my ones last year, which is too tight, so I had to pull out my insoles and the turtle doves because I got my actual true to size in those. But half a size up in these, and you should be good to go. Some people, maybe if you got wide feet, you might want to go up a full size, but totally up to you, just depending on how you like your shoes to fit. But overall, like I said, I just went up a half a size, and that was it. You still got this nice, like I said, black and gray Primeknit upper. Going to the back of the heel, you got that pull tab right there with that red stitching, which I just think is very clean to me, brings the shoe out. Inside the shoe, you just got Adidas Yeezy on the inside of the inserts of the shoe right there on the inside, which I think is very just clean on the shoe. Flipping to this side, you got your YZY for Yeezy right here on the side of the shoe right here in that nice suede black material, which is clean. Gonna flip to the bottom. As we all know, we got that nice boost. This is what it's all about. To me, it just makes the shoe so much more comfortable with that boost on the bottom, and we got it here very clean. This nice black rib cage midsole right here also, which is clean. And then we got these nice it's like a black and gray round shoelaces right here. They come on the shoes also, which I think is clean. Around the ankle part right here, you just got this nice black material going around the ankle, which is very clean. Like I said, it's just an all black shoe, and I think that's what makes it for me because I needed all black shoe in my collection, and these just, what better one to have than the Power Blacks and your collection is all black Yeezy, which I think, like I said, very nice shoe, and we're probably not going to get them anymore, so definitely glad to be able to have these. And then, like I said, on the bottom it says that Boost. Clean shoe, Power Blacks. Y'all let me know what y'all think down in the comment below. Was you able to cop them? Did you go for them? Let me know, were you able to get them on Yeezy Day this year? And yeah, that was the right shoe. Here goes the left shoe. Looks the same exact way. That all black and gray Primeknit on the top. This one did have a little tag on the side of it right there. Just show you images of the shoe, and then when you flip it, it just says Yeezy Boost 350 Originals right there on that part of the tag, which was on the side. Also, then you got this nice little brown thing that's on the side right here that just tells the different types of material, nature of the material, to do not wash and all that kind of stuff like that come on the side of the shoe, which is, you know, that's just what all Yeezys usually come with on the side. Clean, back of the heel, you got the all black with that red stitches on that pull tab. Yeezy Boost on the inside, on the bottom, got that Boost on the bottom right here also. Very nice, very clean shoe. I like these, y'all. I mean, I was, like I said, very excited to have them. Got the turtle doves also. So y'all let me know, out of the two, which one do you think is the best? Would you go with the Power Blacks right here, or would you go with the turtle doves? Me personally, for wearability, I'm definitely probably gonna go with the Power Blacks, even though I love the turtle doves. Now, don't get me wrong, but these Power Blacks, they're just all black. Can't go wrong with that. These definitely go with anything and everything you want to wear it with, so can't go wrong with the Power Blacks. But both very nice, clean shoes, Yeezy 350 V1s, and like I said, probably not gonna get these anymore. So happy to have both of these in my collection, and these definitely will be staying in the collection. So y'all let me know what y'all thinking. And let me know what y'all feel about them. How you feel about Yeezy Day this year? As we all know, some people had hit all the hit everything. Some people didn't hit nothing. Or you like me, you hit 2 out of the 10 that did come out. Like I said, I didn't go for everything, but what I did go for on day 1 didn't hit nothing. Then on day 2, I was able to hit those foam runner, Tope foam runners, and I was able to hit the Power Black. So can't be mad at it. I was able to get something. At least I didn't go 0 for 10. Got 2 out of 10. So can't be mad at that. So y'all let me know how y'all feel about it. Let me know what you got, and let me know if you did get the Power Blast. Did you get yours in yet? Let me know about your shipping, because I'm seeing a lot of people saying that they're not getting their shipping. Some people even getting refunded from the Power Blacks, saying that they don't even have that stock anymore. So let me know, were you able to get yours? Are they on the way? And if you were able to cop, I hope you're going to get yours, unlike some people who got canceled and they got refunded their money. So, but that's all I got for y'all today. So if you're new to watching my channel, hit that subscribe button. Hit that notification bell so you can know when I post all my videos. Follow me on Instagram at SneakerMom1721. Stay tuned to the end for that on foot. And until the next time, it's your girl Sneaker Mom. Peace.